How's it going? I'm back. Andrew, RA Marketing. I'm the A in RA. I got something in the mail today, and I'm super pumped about it, and I want to share it with you, and I want to tell you a little bit of a story about why I got what I got. One of the things that we've noticed is that we're live streaming all day with our employees, the keyboard is really loud and obnoxious. Sounds, it clicks and everything, gets picked up by our microphone. And when we're in a live stream, a lot of times we get feedback and it's just really obnoxious. So we're constantly muting each other and we have to wave each other down to get things done. I was saying to Richy, I said, man, we got to figure out a solution for this. So we kind of started researching a little bit, and then I was like, you know what, man, we could spend, several $100s, buy 15 different keyboards, figure out which one is the best, or we could talk to our buddy Chris Kim, who's a live streaming gamer who makes his living by streaming video gameplay, what he thinks. Because this guy spends all day live streaming. He knows the best equipment. He's an expert in this field. Let's just ask him, and he's going to tell us exactly what we should get. Called up Chris Kim, and he's like, hey, you should get the Ducky Shine, whatever, blah, 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 blah. Within seconds, knew exactly what we wanted, knew exactly what we needed, and said, you should buy this. Now, it was not the cheapest one, but it's the best one for our solution. It's exactly what we needed. So I just got that in the mail today. I'm gonna tear into that puppy, and I'm gonna show it to you, and then I'll bring it back over here, okay? So let's check it out. Man, I've been thinking about this thing all day. I got it on my porch at about 1 o'clock this afternoon, and I've been just trying not to open it. I really wanted to wait until I could set up my camera and open it up for you guys. So the very first thing that struck me when I took it out of the box was how heavy this thing is. The Logitech MK710 that I've been using forever is nowhere near the weight of this thing. It's actually really light and kind of flimsy feeling. And I remember I paid almost as much for that setup as what this is here. The next thing that really struck me was this ever so important warning not to pour beverages into the keyboard. Now, I'm a big fan of having beverages in my branded RA Yeti here on my desk, so this warning might be for me. The packaging has a really nice feel, and inside you find this little plastic cover that immediately took me back to when I was a kid. I remember we had a plastic cover over the top of our computer keyboard. I don't know if you remember those old Tandy 1000s that had the old school mechanical keyboard with the little plasticky rubbery protector over the top. Those things always turned yellow after a while. That's a little trip down memory lane there. But anyway, upon picking up this keyboard, I was once again reminded the weight. The thing is it's so kind of immense. I wasn't really planning on it. I wasn't prepared for that. This thing's just over 3 pounds. It's just really clearly super high quality. It's easy to really kind of feel and see just how sturdy this peripheral device is. And of course, I love the on-brand colors, the red and the black. It's just perfect, right in line with what we needed. So it's a little different feeling than what I'm used to. Kind of the way that the keys go up and down, there's a little bit more kind of resistance on the way up specifically, but I really love that it's super silent. It's exactly what we were looking for as it relates to our feedback issues that we were having. And of course, when I look further into this box, I found a few extra keys that I'm going to have to install to get a little bit more of that RA red and black look. I'm super excited about that. And speaking of colors, the backlighting features on this keyboard are super, super cool. Full backlighting in any color that you would want. Lots of cool responsive modes that you can set it to. If you press a certain key, it's like a raindrop pattern, or kind of shoots out different colors. It has like a wave pattern. I'm probably gonna have to turn off some of those crazy colors for now, but I gotta say, they're pretty cool. All right. Thanks for watching me open that box. I know it seems a little bit silly. Oh, you have this fancy new keyboard, but listen. Nothing. That's exactly why we got it. What I want to convey to you is that there are certain experts in certain fields that you should rely on to do certain things for you, okay? You don't hire a carpenter to do a plumber's job. And I think you guys probably know the rest of that saying. So this is, I always say that when it comes to digital marketing for financial advisors. You know what, guys, there are millions of digital marketers out there. Tons of them. And it seems like people are putting up a new shingle every single day, calling themselves a digital marketer. What I can tell you is that Richy and I have been doing this longer than anybody else in the financial services business. We know what we're doing. We've run thousands of these programs, and we've only had, in my memory, 3 times when we didn't meet or exceed the guarantees that we set forth in our programs. But the whole point here is you don't hire somebody that's just a random digital marketer to do digital marketing for your financial services business. We started doing digital marketing over 5 years ago, and in this world, that's a lifetime. We have more experience in this space combined than any other digital marketing agency for financial advisors out there. I guarantee it. Now, sometimes we're not the cheapest. I'm not going to hide behind that, because you know what? When you want something that's quality and you want the best, you're going to pay a little bit more for it. Now, a lot of times we are not the most expensive either. Just like this keyboard that I got and I showed you, it's not the most expensive option out there. But guess what? This one was exactly what we needed. It does the job perfectly. And when I type on it, you can't hear a thing. Because I went to an expert and I knew that when this guy said, hey, you should get this keyboard, he was absolutely going to be right. So I can tell you with confidence, if you need digital marketing for your financial services business, you need to work with RA Marketing, because we are the experts and we know what we're talking about. We're excited to start working with you. Give us a call, 720-547-6221. Give us a buzz. We're looking forward to helping you out. Take care.